Even on this past life I live blow by blow. Tracks twist and wobble, but I just roll on, relentless as I go. People say my way's too old. This rusty machine soothes my soul. When it does run flat, my heart pounds on with plenty of cold. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train, old school style, can't slip away. Classic ride, rolling like we're taking flight. Dress the tailwind in the classic side. So girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Burn the flimsy dream, chug along on this ancient flame. I'm working for the long haul, the greater good. Not just a quick fix, but hey, like I know I should. My heart's like steel, built just right. So you're gonna ride that girl, hold on tight. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train, old school style, just can't slip away. Classic ride, rolling like we're taking flight. Trust the tailwind and the classic side. So girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Burn those flimsy dreams and chug along on this ancient flame. There's beauty in the rust, there's stories to hold. In every scar there's a memory to never fold. As the world spins fast, I'll take it slow. You by my side, we'll let the love grow. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Old school style, can't slip away. Classic ride, rolling like we're taking a flight. Trust the tailwind and the classic sight. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Burn the flimsy old dreams and chug along to this ancient flame. Storms can't shake me or forge my way. Ride my tracks, darling, I'm here to stay. No rhythmic detours needed, I'll stay on the path, son. You're gonna stop this freight train from chugging along. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Old school style, but I can't slip away. Classic ride, roll on, we're taking flight. Trust the tailwind and the classic sight. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Burn those flimsy old dreams, chug along with this ancient flame. Each whistle blow a promise to keep, built too strong for sleepless nights to sleep. On the long haul, you I'll confide. No twisting hearts may sway the wind. My ways got more promise with you on the side. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Old school style, I can't slip away. Classic ride, we'll be rolling on, taking flight. Trust the tailwind and the classic side. 'Cause girl, you're gonna ride this train. Burn those flimsy old dreams, chug along with this ancient flame. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train. Take your ticket, let's make the end come true. Through valleys and mountains, I'll be here for you. Don't take the detours, stay true to the track. Together we'll ride, and there ain't no turning back. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train, old school style, well, don't let it slip away. This old coal train, it's been right there from the start. Ancient ways still burn on that flame. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train, old school style, don't let it slip away. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train, old school style, don't let it slip away. Girl, you're gonna wanna ride this train.